Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a texture that mimics burlap or coarse fabric. It won't be photorealistic, but it will look quite realistic for things like curtains or furniture in your projects. I often use brushes that imitate fabric textures photorealistically, but sometimes I need a more natural, detailed look. How do we do this? Go to the basic brushes, find the folder named Organic, and select the Hessian brush. This brush creates a texture similar to burlap, drawing as if with needles. If you want straight lines instead of random strokes, we need to adjust the brush settings. Duplicate the brush, open the settings and enable Orient to Screen. Then go to the Shape section and turn off Randomized and Scatter. Now the brush will draw parallel lines. Draw the lines without lifting the stylus from the screen. Then, rotate the canvas and continue drawing, adjusting the pressure of the stylus to create different effects. The texture is ready. To make it more realistic, duplicate the layer. On the lower active layer, go to Adjustments and reduce the saturation and brightness. Then, shift the layer 1 mm down and to the right to create a woven fabric effect. To enhance the realistic effect, we'll add a light color to the top layer. To do this, enable Alpha Lock, choose a lighter tone, and use a large soft brush with varying pressure to paint over the layer. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can create pretty realistic fabric textures. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Procreate insights and techniques.